Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share an interesting recipe which is chicken stuffed Chinese cabbage roll. To accompany this roll, I'm making a sweet and sour dipping sauce. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to prepare this sweet and sour dipping sauce. Heat 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil in a saucepan. Add in 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Saute it slightly and add in 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Well, this is Kashmiri chili flakes. Now add in 1 cup of water. In goes 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. The sauce is boiling nicely. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. In goes 1 teaspoon of honey. Add in little salt. So soy sauce has salt in it, so bear in mind while adding. Now add in 2 teaspoons of cornflour slurry. Cornflour slurry is prepared by mixing 1 teaspoon of cornflour and 1 tablespoon of water. The sauce will thicken once the cornflour slurry is added. Sweet and sour dipping sauce is ready now. Next, I'm going to prepare the Chinese cabbage roll. For making Chinese cabbage roll, of course we need Chinese cabbage. Actually, Chinese cabbage tastes best when compared to the regular cabbage. I have removed the leaves of the Chinese cabbage. Pick good quality of Chinese cabbage leaves. I'm going to blanch the Chinese cabbage leaves first. For that, boil enough quantity of water in a big pan. Blanch these leaves for 1 minute and remove it. So make sure not to cook these leaves in water. Actually, you can also use cabbage leaves, so follow the same process. The leaves are blanched perfectly and I'm removing it. Let's move on to the filling. So these are the ingredients required for filling. The leaves are blanched and let it cool down slightly. I have taken minced chicken for the filling. I have taken 400 grams of chicken breast and grinded it in a mixer grinder. Add in 1 finely chopped onion. In goes 1 finely chopped carrot. Actually, I have used this chopper to chop all these vegetables finely. Add in a small piece of finely chopped cabbage. Add in 2 chopped ripe chilies. In goes 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Add in 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. In goes 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. 3 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. Add in salt as needed. Soy sauce has salt in it, so bear in mind while adding salt. Add in 1 egg. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it nicely so that everything combines well. Chicken stuffing is ready now. Take the blanched Chinese cabbage leaf and cut the bottom rib portion. This portion will be quite hard and hence I am chopping it. I'll be using this leafy top portion for the cabbage roll. I have chopped the hard rib portion of the leaf. Now it's time to roll the leaf with the chicken filling. Take 1 leaf and place it on a cutting board. The center rib portion will be quite thick. Take a knife and chop it slightly on the hard portion so that it will be easy to roll. Make sure not to cut it hard and break the leaves. We should be very gentle while handling these blanched cabbage leaves. Place 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of chicken filling on one side of the leaf. Fold in both the sides of the leaf and roll it. In the same way, make cabbage rolls out of all the cabbage leaves. Place the chicken stuffed Chinese cabbage rolls in a steamer. Steam these Chinese cabbage rolls for 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, look at it friends. Delicious aromatic chicken stuffed Chinese cabbage rolls are ready now. Serve it immediately with the dipping sauce. Chinese cabbage rolls taste best when served hot. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. Do not forget to share me the picture either through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.